Is your desk a dumpster fire? Here's the hilarious solution you need. Does your desk look like a disaster zone? Are pens, pencils, and sticky notes scattered everywhere, making it impossible to find anything when you need it? You're not alone. Many of us struggle with the clutter of office life, drowning in a sea of paperwork and supplies, only to be left with a cluttered mind. But fear not. The genuine Fred Desk Dumpster is here to turn your chaotic workspace into a functional, organized oasis while bringing some much-needed humor to your day. It's time to tackle that mess with a solution that makes both sense and laughs. Imagine the ultimate office metaphor, a dumpster fire. We've all been there, juggling deadlines, managing endless tasks, and feeling like we're fighting a losing battle. But why not embrace the madness and add a little fun to your day? The desk dumpster is more than just a storage solution, it's a hilarious nod to the chaos we experience every day. With its 3 compartments to keep your pens and pencils neat and organized, this pencil holder doesn't just solve your clutter problems, it'll also have you laughing every time you see it. Looking for an affordable way to organize your workspace without sacrificing style or humor? The desk dumpster gives you the best of both worlds. Unlike traditional desk organizers that are purely functional, this Caddy brings a level of whimsy and personality to your workspace. Plus, it's made of durable MDF, ensuring it will last as long as the jokes you'll be telling about it. The easy pop-together assembly is so simple that you can have it set up in no time, leaving you more time to focus on the important stuff, like enjoying your new desk companion. What if we told you that cleaning up your desk could actually be fun? No longer will you dread the task of tidying up your cluttered office supplies. With over 100 flame notecards included, the desk dumpster doesn't just store your pens and pencils, it keeps you engaged in the process. Each time you grab a pen or make a note, you'll be reminded that humor and function can coexist. It's the perfect way to make your workspace reflect your personality while bringing order to the chaos that comes with every busy day. In a world where functionality often sacrifices fun, the desk dumpster is the exception. It's the desk caddy that doesn't just solve a problem, it creates an experience. Whether you're treating yourself or gifting it to a friend or coworker, this dumpster fire caddy guarantees smiles, organization, and a dash of irreverence. Don't let your desk remain in disarray. Say goodbye to the clutter and embrace a solution that's as entertaining as it is effective, because let's face it, we could all use a little less fire and a lot more fun.